Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. And welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Compose.ly. They're looking for a financial writer. It pays up to $7,000 per month. Compose.ly is looking for awesome writers interested in producing SEO content related to finance, investing, and economics. If you're interested in getting consistent work and you're confident in your abilities to deliver high quality content, then you're looking at the right job post. What's in it for you? Working from anywhere. This position is fully freelance, getting consistent work. We provide the clients and you provide the content, and the projects are guaranteed to keep coming, earning as much as you want. Many of our core writers earn up to US $7,000 plus per month. As long as you're delivering quality content, who are we to slow you down? Becoming part of a larger community, thus freelancing sometimes feel like it's just you against the world. At Compose.ly, you'll work with a team to ensure every project goes off without a hitch. Having dedicated community coordinators will help you navigate client communication so you can focus on what you do best. About Compose.ly. Compose.ly is a content creation platform that pairs small, mid-size, and enterprise-level organizations with vetted freelance writers. We pride ourselves on creating high-quality, SEO-friendly content that drives tangible ROI. This role is for you if you can write about the leading industry concepts for audiences with field knowledge and laypeople, are an excellent self-editor, are familiar with SEO, are detail-oriented and take pride in your work, are accountable for the work you do, are always looking for ways to improve, are even-tempered and don't buckle under pressure, have strong organizational and time management skills. Responsibilities. You'll be responsible for crafting professional content, which may include blog posts, white papers, landing pages, and more. You'll also be required to ensure that your content conforms to SEO best practices and is engaging, accurate, and follows project guidelines. Make requested revisions as necessary. Efficiently organize and track your projects to meet deadlines. Skills and qualifications. English fluency. Ability to write at least 10,000 to 15,000 words per week. 1 to 4 plus years of experience writing content from your field of expertise. Knowledge of SEO and content creation and current SEO best practices. Pay. As a Compose.ly writer, you'll be paid at a pay rate of US 10 cents per word. How to get started. If you think you meet the above requirements, please click on Apply on company site. You'll be taken to a page where you can submit your resume, mention your weekly bandwidth, and attach your portfolio and LinkedIn profile. Next, you'll be asked to complete a 2-part multiple choice grammar and writing assessment. If you pass the assessment, we'll check out your portfolio and other details. And if you move on to the next round, we'll get in touch with you for the next steps. Thank you for applying and good luck. Job types: full-time, part-time. Education: bachelor's required. Experience: finance writing, 1 year required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.